If you're planning to buy a phone around $500, stop for a sec because the Google Pixel 10a just launched with flagship-level brightness, a bigger battery than many premium phones, and something almost no Android phone offers right now: 7 years of updates. So the real question isn't what this phone costs, it's whether buying anything more expensive even makes sense anymore. The moment you pick it up, the size feels intentional. A 6.3-inch body that's easy to control with one hand, weighing just 183 grams, and thick enough at 9mm to feel solid without becoming bulky. Google kept the aluminum frame for strength while using a plastic back that actually improves durability in real life. Most glass phones look premium until the first drop, but this one feels built for daily survival. Add Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection on the front and full IP68 water resistance, and suddenly you're not constantly worried about rain, dust, or accidental spills. Then you turn on the display. And this is honestly where expectations change fast. The OLED panel runs at 120 Hz with HDR support, making scrolling instantly smoother than older mid-range phones. But the bigger surprise is brightness, reaching up to 2000 nits normally and nearly 3000 nits peak. Outdoors, maps, videos, and messages remain perfectly visible without hunting for shade. It's one of those upgrades you notice every single day, but rarely see emphasized in marketing. Performance comes from Google's Tensor G4 processor paired with 8GB RAM, and instead of chasing benchmark numbers, the focus here is consistency. Apps open quickly, multitasking stays smooth, and switching between camera, social media, and navigation feels effortless. Games like PUBG and Call of Duty run comfortably on balanced settings, while heat management remains controlled during longer sessions. Storage options include fast UFS 3.1 speeds in 128GB and 256GB variants, meaning apps install faster and files load instantly, although expandable storage isn't included. Now here's where Pixel phones usually win people over: camera reliability. The 48-megapixel main camera with optical stabilization captures sharp images without oversaturation, keeping colors natural and skin tones realistic. The 13-megapixel ultra-wide helps capture group shots or landscapes easily, and Google's computational photography quietly improves detail using pixel shift and ultra HDR processing. Video recording reaches 4K at 60 FPS with strong stabilization, making handheld footage look smooth even while walking. Even the front camera records in 4K, which is surprisingly rare in this price range, and perfect for video calls or creators. Battery life might actually be the most practical upgrade. A 5100 mAh battery comfortably handles heavy daily use, including streaming, navigation, and gaming, without forcing evening charging. Moderate users can easily stretch into the next day. Charging supports 30-watt wired speeds, reaching roughly half battery in about 30 minutes, along with 10-watt wireless charging for added convenience. Bypass charging also reduces heat during gaming, helping long-term battery health, something most people only appreciate months later. Connectivity and extras quietly push this phone closer to flagship territory. Full 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC payments, precise multi-band GPS systems, stereo speakers, and under-display fingerprint sensor all work reliably. Satellite SOS support adds emergency communication capability when cellular networks fail, which is becoming an increasingly important safety feature. Software might be the biggest long-term advantage though. Launching with Android 16 and promising 7 major upgrades means this phone could realistically stay updated longer than many laptops people own today. Clean Pixel software also means zero bloatware, no ads inside system apps, and smoother performance over time. Of course, honesty matters. If you're a hardcore mobile gamer chasing maximum graphics performance or ultra-fast charging speeds, there are stronger options available, and the lack of headphone jack or expandable storage may matter depending on usage. But for most users, focus on camera quality, smooth performance, battery reliability, and long-term support, these compromises feel small. What makes the Pixel 10a interesting isn't one headline feature, it's how everything feels balanced together. Nothing screams for attention, yet almost every daily frustration people have with smartphones gets quietly solved. And that's why this phone doesn't just look good on launch day, it actually makes sense months and years later. So before you spend extra money on a flagship, ask yourself honestly, are you paying for features you'll actually use, or just the idea of a premium phone? Tell me what matters most to you in a smartphone, and if this helped clear your decision, subscribe, because the next comparison might save you from an expensive mistake.